Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to create a looping video in CapCut. First, let's open our CapCut, and as you can see, I already have opened a project here. Now the first thing that you have to notice about creating a looping video is that you have to first create the whole video in a correct sequence and then scroll to a part which can act as your supposed ending, and also you can drag it to the front so that the complete video looks good in a looping segment and doesn't look choppy or forced. So select the part that you think is the perfect for this segment. The clip I have selected currently doesn't have any such segment, so I'll just pick one at random. And then, once you found it, split the clip, hold it down, and bring to the front. Now, when my video will end here, let's remove the CapCut ending. When my video will end here, it will start from here, which will make it look like the video is looping in a perfect loop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.